Hello guys, we are back with another Leetcode problem. Today is day 9 of February. Let's see the today's problem. And the problem is the k difference pairs in an array. It's a media question. Let's directly dive into the question. What's actually question asked? So you have a given an array of integer nums and an integer k, and you have to return the number of the unique k difference pair in the array. Okay, that's pretty much straightforward. You have given an array nums and you have to given an value k, and you have to find out the unique difference k differences pairs in that array. You just how it define the k difference pair is an integer pair nums I and nums j. The difference between the difference of num I and num j, absolute value of that, if it greater than, if it uh, if it true, means it's where the following are true, then it's a called is k difference pair. If I is lesser than j and j is lesser than num's length, okay, and the nums I nums j is equal to k, that's our k difference pair. So the value is absolute value, so it's kind of easy, straight, pretty much understandable. So let's understand the question again by using the example one. So you have given this array and this value too. So how many different unique pair is present to find out a k is equal to 2? So there is a 1 and 3. If I pick 1 and 3, I'll make possible make 2. If I pick this 3 and 1, but it's the same, so that's why I didn't want to pick this, because I have to pick a unique pair, but in that case not unique, it's already present. So that's why I'll just neglect that, and I pick this 3 and 5. In that case I returned it 2, I get 2. So that's my unique, all my unique pair is 2 in this case, so I'll just return it. So it's it's pretty much straightforward. For solving this problem, what I'm going to do, uh, let's I make a count variable in which I count it how many unique pair is present, and I'll just, for our sake of ease, I'll just write it num.size for our sake of ease. And what I'm going to do, I'll made a two loops. I'll made it two loops, which is starting from here and move to here until here. But first and foremost, what I'm going to do, I'll sort this array, because I sort this array for our sake of ease. Array, sorry, nums dot begin, nums dot end. For our sake of ease, to not find for not overlapping cases, I want to remove the overlapping cases. That's why I'll just sort this array, by which I just minimize my overlapping cases. And for int j is equal to starting from I plus 1, j is n, and j plus plus. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, I made it another thing. I made a set of pair int of int, let name it vp, let name it set. That makes some sense. If this element, if if this element is not present, what? But first and foremost, what I'm going to do, if absolute of nums I minus nums j, sorry, nums j is equal to k, in that means it may be my answer. But first and foremost, I have to check, is it present in my set or not. If it's present, I didn't want to add it. If not present, I'll just add it in my, I'll enhance my count in that case. So how can I check it? Nums I nums j, if it present, if it not present in my set, in that case what I'm going to do, first and foremost I have to insert I have to insert this thing in my set. So write it nums I and nums j. I insert it and enhance my counter in that case. So that's a code, guys. And after that, what I'm going to do, I'm return my cnt. That's it. Let's run this code, guys, and let's submit this code. And it's accepted. So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I resolve your doubt as soon as possible. And sorry for that background noises. I've removed these background noises as soon as possible. Until then, keep grinding, guys.